Monica right now to fix my nephew's car. The check engine light come on, and then when he drives the car, it vibrates. So I'm heading up there. It's gonna take me about an hour and 16 minutes drive over there to fix it. The repair shop was trying to charge him about $414. Does include $130 for the parts, and the rest of them is like labor, like freaking 300 something bucks. I said no, don't let them fix it. Or actually 200 something, almost 300 bucks. So I'm heading over there, try to help him out, and then hopefully I can fix the problem. They say it's a variable timing solenoid. That's bad. So I have my what do you call that thing? ODB to troubleshoot the code, to see what's going on with the car. So I'll keep you guys updated, and hopefully we can fix it by today, or else I'm just gonna waste my time and my trip to go up there. His wedding is coming up, so that's why I'm trying to help him out and fix it. I don't know why he called me the last minute. His fiance is coming in from Germany or Europe, so we'll see. Coming tomorrow, actually, tomorrow night at 7 p.m.
OBD2 scanner.
The call later on because of your check engine. OBD. Okay.
OBD2 location.
Things are breaking. You gotta film all the way over there. Where the white piece at? Under here. Filmed it.
Okay, I see it. Oh, I see it. That's that white piece? Yeah, okay.
Close it all the way. Wait, focus, I'm sorry.
Yeah, like that? Okay.
So that means I'm gonna point this way.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I can see it. Is it here?
Yep. Nice.
Okay.
Yep.
And then I need your key.
Okay. Give me 1 sec.
Oh, to the copyright.
Yeah.
Still there?
Mm-hmm. That's the one that's usually on recently.
Normally when your engine like kicking when you drive, right? Not when you start, right?
No. When I start, sometimes it has a little strange feeling. Sometimes, not always. And then later on, when I stop, it was shaking. But
P0300 P0302, move it down like that.
got it.
Okay.
Okay.
P1354 code means your left VVT-CS is bad, so you will need to go to AutoZone or O'Reilly to buy the parts. We got these parts from AutoZone, Duralast. It give you a lifetime warranty, and this is the part number right here, TS1029 for the left side. Okay, make sure you get the left side. If you have the right side, it's not gonna fit. So right here I'm trying to do the unboxing for you guys to see what's it look like, and you see it right there with the plug and then the hole for you to screw on. There's a plug right there, and the top is as chrome. Alright, it does not come with a screw. Make sure you don't lose a screw. So right here I'm trying to show you guys that you will need to take out those 3 of those screws in order to remove the cover and unscrew this Toyota logo in order to remove the whole cover, engine cover.
Okay.
You know how to zoom in case you need to zoom
Like
in.
this,
okay?
right?
Yeah. So you can try to aim it at this.
Okay, sure.
So use the Allen wrench. I think this one might be. There we go. Move my finger out of the way. I'll do the voiceover later on.
Okay, sounds good.
So this is the.
Yep. Try pause it now, or
Yeah.
it's recording now. Yeah.
Did you drive the car?
Huh? Did I drive the car?
Yeah, hot.
I just drove it right now. That's it.
Oh, okay.
I didn't drive it any other time today.
So they didn't even take out the
I don't think
cover,
so.
right?
I guess not. I think mainly all they did was diagnostic because it was free, just to figure out what's wrong,
Mm-hmm.
and they said it was the left solenoid. Yeah, I was watching a video online to try to see how to do it,
Mm-hmm.
but it looked a little different. And the solenoid was in like a really awkward place. I don't know how they took out everything.
Are you watching the same one?
It didn't look exactly like this, but the solenoid was like back behind the thing or something. Underneath the cover behind it. And so they had to reach for it, and I was like,
Are you lazy?
huh? No, I don't mind learning it. That's kind of why I wanted to watch you too. I wanted to learn car stuff, but I just...
I don't know, some of this one's stuck. Are you aim on down here?
Okay, sure.
Show the back.
Yep.
On the YouTube, they never show anything on the back. You right here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And that's just show them the screw right here. Let's zoom in. Okay.
Okay.
See, you got stuck.
Oh, it didn't even come out. Okay.
It's okay. We don't need to take it out.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, cool. That's... Yeah, I got it. Yeah, it's actually bright enough. It's just because the sun's reflecting out, so it looks like it. Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
Is this focus?
Yeah, it's focused.
And you show them right here.
Okay.
You need the light?
Can't really see it from here
Okay.
because it's too dark. But maybe like...
Stop it then.
Okay.
Light come on? Yeah.
I think it's because of the sun's angle. Maybe if I stand here.
Oh wait, this is yeah, this is the left one. Better not lose this screw.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. No, nothing. I just didn't want to knock this off. The thing is, yeah, the screw. When they put it back on in the video, they put some tape. I brought some tape in case you need it, hold it on or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know if you need it. I just brought it. It's in my pocket. Okay. But other than that,
We just need to jiggle it. Oh, it's gonna come out the oil.
okay.
The rag. You should cover the bottom.
This O-ring got stuck.
Oh.
Oh yeah. This screw.
Okay.
Screwdriver.
Sure.
Are you looking at it?
Okay, yeah, came on. Are you okay? Wait, are you okay?
Yeah, just did, but it's okay. So just aim it here. Hopefully I can try to get it out without no issues. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. This is the old solenoid.
Take on here.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Same?
Yep.
I'm gonna put this in.
Okay.
They said to lubricate with the oil.
On that part, yeah.
So you will need to lubricate with a little bit of the oil on the O-ring or the seal, okay? And make sure you remove all the wires to put it in.
Well, now I know how. That's really good.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's it. That's it, man.
Wow.
It's a 200 something, almost 300 bucks that I'm gonna charge you.
I don't mind paying you.
I gotta do the scanner though to clear the code.
Okay. The reason I was asking about the instant pot is because my mom got one, but she doesn't want to use it, so we have it at home if you want it.
Cause I thought there's a recall.
I have no idea, but
Oh, yeah?
I packed it up at home if you
Oh.
want to just see it, because it's always sitting at our house doing nothing, so you can always check up on it to see if it actually needed a recall.
11 minutes? Oh, you paused it earlier then?
Earlier, yeah.
Oh, okay. So after you tied it, make sure there's no oil, and then around the valve, the timing valve, if you have oil, make sure you just wipe around it, and then connect back the wire until you hear clicking noise. Okay. Professional recording. There you go. You hear the click.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, okay. Wow.
And
Is that it?
put that cover back.
Okay. I'll also record when you put the cover back.
This one.
It's really dirty.
No, this one you just show that it got stuck.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna do it manually on this one. One guy broke it. He showed around. He can't get out instead.
Oh, really?
He's supposed to turn it.
Oh. How are Josh and Joseph doing?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because Josh is gonna graduate, right?
Yeah.
So his senior year pretty relaxing now. Well, wait, the first part. Does he know where he wants to go?
Yeah. UCLA.
Oh, nice.
UC San Diego. Or
Oh, okay. I know people at UCSD, so let me know. Yeah, I went there for 4 years and I know a lot of people.
How do you like it?
San Diego is really nice. Like, to me, it's a little too relaxing.
Relaxing?
Yeah, because like the weather and like just the place, it feels like you're on vacation the entire time, even though it's school.
Yeah.
LA is a little crazier, but it's also really good. So.
it now.
Okay. Wow.
So we need to buff it out.
Okay. Nice.
I got the scanner for your car.
Okay. Do I film what you're doing on your thing now? Okay.
Let me see if I can get the faulty code. Oh my god, this is all your faulty code? Wow. Normally it's P1354. That is the one that we just changed.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna clear. Hopefully that all this code is gonna go away. Hopefully.
Okay.
Clear log flow. Oh, see, check engine.
Oh.
Go aim at that.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah. I did not
So
know
you're
that's
lucky
how it
I had
worked.
that. I only bought that one for like a couple bucks.
Wow.
$5 or $6, I think. All right, and then that's it.
Okay. Cool.
Hopefully it's not gonna turn on. Hopefully it's gonna come back.
Oh, what? I did not know that's how it worked.
Oh, we need to put that back.
Okay.
And then we're gonna cruise around.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. Should I just pause it then?
Yeah.